How to change a Bitmoji avatar on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can change a Bitmoji avatar on Snapchat, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you'd like to change a Bitmoji avatar on Snapchat, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the Snapchat application. Tap your Bitmoji avatar from the top left of the screen. So if I currently select my Bitmoji avatar here, you'll be able to see all these options. Or if I select the background of my Bitmoji, I'll be able to change the outfit. But what if I want to change this avatar that looks like this itself? For that, tap the gear icon from the top right and then just go to Bitmoji, and then here you'll be able to see edit my Bitmoji option. So now just go to edit my Bitmoji option and then just select everything that you would like to edit over here. Once you select a certain edition, you can just tap the save option. If you'd like to choose a selfie, you can go ahead and select a selfie as well, as you'd be able to find it. So this way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically change the Bitmoji on Snapchat. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.